What is going on, and welcome to another video. It's Chill Trader, and today we are going to check the charts, guys. Join me today. AVAX, Ocean, ETC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all have hit the final target, guys, and high have started moving today, up by 60%. Up by 60% from our initial entry, guys. So if you have watched my previous video, I have shared this high street chart several times, and this is one of the bonus charts from our previous video. Now it started to move, guys, and our Discord community is getting crazy. All right, so join me today. It's December 8th, and it's Friday. We are approaching the weekend, and I'm very excited to show you the chart updates. And of course, I was away for 2 days because I was not feeling well, but now so far I'm feeling okay, and I'm ready to share with you the latest news. And of course, we're going to find some good trades today.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so we have Emmanuel joining us today. We have also Manpreet Baidwan. Hi, Chill. Can you check DYDX and hope you're feeling well? I'm still having my vitamin C here, and I'm feeling great right now. Not that great, but I'm feeling okay because most of our targets has been hit, guys. So AVAX, Ocean, ETC, Ethereum have hit 2,300. And of course, Bitcoin is still going up. So let's see what is going on with the crypto market. And if you have any chart requests, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, extreme greed right now. Bitcoin, fear and greed index is at extreme fear level. Are you ready for a 30% correction, guys? So if you don't want to miss that 30% correction, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you are new to the channel and if you don't want to miss my important updates, trade updates, don't forget to click that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and let's get it on. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 43, having some resistance at around $44,000. Ethereum already have hit our final target, which is $2,300. BNB still looking weak, guys. Still haven't made its move, while all other altcoins already made substantial gains in the past, especially Solana, still killing it with 20 or 9.68% gain in the past 24 hours. And also Cardano, it's making its move up by 23% in the past 24 hours, guys. Beautiful, beautiful move from ADA. Congratulations to ADA holders. AVAX is also going crazy, up by 25% in the past 7 days, guys. What? Crazy, crazy market today. And also, one very important news is Binance, guys. Binance. Binance withdraws Abu Dhabi license bid as crypto giant weighs structure. So I don't know if this is connected with the latest happenings in the US. London, December 7th. So this was shared or posted yesterday from Reuters. Binance has withdrawn an application for an Abu Dhabi license, the latest sign that the giant crypto exchange is reassessing its global structure as regulatory pressures mount. So this is a bad news, guys. This is a bad news for Abu Dhabi or for UAE users, especially Binance, because this will also decrease the confidence of users here who are staying in the UAE. The Binance unit called BV Investment Management pulled the application with someone's calling. All right. Regulate the request filed a year ago and withdrawn on November 7. Oh, the process actually takes a very long time, but now they have withdrawn their application. Would have allowed, according to the regulators. So this is not a good news for users here in the UAE, and this will decrease the confidence. All right, so let me know, what are your thoughts about this news, guys? It seems that Binance is taking a toll on this crypto regulations, and let's see. I think because right now, if my information is correct, the OJ or the so maybe in the coming months or in the coming weeks, we might see some news about Binance or about some insider news, guys. So that could trigger a market sell-off. Sell-off, and also the Bitcoin spot ETF by the news sell by the rumor sell the news event. And another one here. So slowly market is getting greedy, guys. We are on the extreme greed level right now, and bearish news are starting to come out. So this is normal. We are going to see some ups and downs in the market. Jamie Dimon lashes out against crypto. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
What? I got a bad feeling about this.
So according to Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, he said, I've always been deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc. The head of the largest U.S. bank by assets said, under questioning from Senator Elizabeth Warren, DMAS, during a Senate Banking Committee hearing. The only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, money laundering, tax avoidance. If I was the government, I closed it down.
What?
So this is a big statement coming from Jamie Dimon, guys. So I don't find any good news about this. According to him, the only true use case of crypto, Bitcoin, etc., is for criminals, drug traffickers, money laundering, and tax avoidance. Do you agree, guys? Let me know in the comment section. What are your thoughts about this statement coming from Jamie Dimon, guys? I strongly disagree because there are some good use cases for crypto and, of course, blockchain itself. But right now, it is being used by criminals, drug traffickers, money launderers, and tax evaders. But also on the other side, there are a group of people who are using blockchain for its common good. But I think in the future, we'll be able to sort it out because right now, crypto is on its very early stage. Right now, crypto is like a 2-year-old baby. So we are still trying to mold crypto, guys. But in the future, for sure, we'll be able to figure this out. And another news, Bitcoin, many deaths. Is crypto market past point of no return? Are we going to $100,000 or $200,000 in the coming years? So we are near 2025 and we are seeing the celebration and of course the greed in the market right now. Bitcoin and the broader crypto market have been gleefully declared dead more than a few times during the bear market. So according to Peter Schiff, I don't know if I've pronounced that correctly, a year ago, Bitcoin hit $69,000. One of the main reasons for the spectacular rally was the leverage that funded unprecedented crypto advertising and speculative buying. The FTX bankruptcy proves that the entire rally was a fraud.
I got a bad feeling about this.
So that is according to Peter Schiff. According to him, so the entire rally going to $69,000 was a fraud. But right now we are seeing a crazy move, guys. Take profit from if you are holding or trading high chart. So this is one of the bonus chart, guys, on my previous stream. This was one of the bonus chart. This was our entry here. Initial entry for high chart was at 1.327 and we are up. We are up by almost 60% from 63% from this entry point, guys. So if you are holding, and by the way, all charts, before we proceed with the trades and chart requests, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial or investment advice. If you want investment advice, consult with your financial advisor. All right, so high chart, we are up right now, and the VIPs are celebrating. This was the chart that I have shared in the watch list channel, and of course, I have discussed this in our previous stream, guys. So this was the previous chart that I was talking about. This is actually the update, but we have the initial chart, guys, when the price was hovering on this consolidation zone. So we have been keeping an eye on this chart. So we have a bullish divergence on the daily time frame here. Let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the bullish divergence is currently playing out. We have a bullish divergence here previously. This is the 2-day time frame. That is why. All right. So we have a bullish divergence here that is currently playing out, guys. So the initial target will be 251% from this consolidation point, but we have also a safer target or conservative target, and that is $2.65, which will give us 137% from this entry right here, or 100% from this entry at around 1.32 area. And right now we are up, guys. We are up. So if you are in our Discord community, we usually don't leave anyone behind. So for those who have missed the previous entry, today I have shared another long entry point at around this area, guys, 1.78 up to 1.82 level. So this was shared today. High risk long. If you missed the previous entry there, at this level, higher chances that stop loss will be hit and volatility will be stronger. So if you have missed the previous entry, you have another chance here. We have seen a full breakout and a retest. So I thought of informing our Discord community that you can still get into the train, guys, even even if the train has already left the station, you still have a chance. So we will not leave you behind. So this was the second entry here. Beautiful entry, by the way, because if you're going to check the 4-hour time frame, this was the long entry point today. Beautiful, beautiful entry, guys. This is right now up by 13%. 13%. And the chart or the price is still, it continues to move up. We have a bearish divergence, however, in the 4-hour time frame. But my conservative target remains up to this level here. Let's see how many percent is that going to be. That will give us still 50% from this second long entry point here, which was shared today in our VIP Discord. Please check GTL. You must be really happy today. Good to hear you're strong and back. How are you feeling? All right. Thank you for asking me, guys. And I have received a lot of messages concerning about my health. So thank you so much for all the beautiful messages that I have received. So high chart is up, and also this was shared in our free Discord community. And if you're watching this video right now, this is only today, guys. If you are watching this video right now, and if you want to trade, or if you want to buy crypto, or if you want to open an account, you will gain access to our Discord community. If you are going to open an account in BingX, guys. BingX is our official partner, and of course FairDesk as well. So you can choose to open an account in BingX or FairDesk. Deposit $100 and let me know your user ID, and you will get 1 month access in our Discord community. All right. So here are some of, I have shared an announcement today. So this one right here, this long entry point. So if you have missed the previous entry, you still have a chance to join the ride, guys. And here are some of the top gainers. This is the link here for High Street, 178%, 64. So 40%. I've already shared my entry here. Entry price at 1.81 level. I don't agree. Yes, so many good use cases. I already created an account on BingX with your link. All my fellas.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
We have also Abu D Plays from watching on Facebook right now. And we have 2,000 viewers in Twitter, guys. And 12,000 in YouTube. Wow. Thanks for joining me today. All right, so here are some of the charts, by the way. Let's move on. And let's check some of the updates. Beautiful. Bull flag. Crazy. Bull flag target for AVAX. I've shared this on my Twitter account, so feel free to follow me on Twitter if you haven't already. And we are up by 35% from initial entry, guys. And right now, the price keeps on going up. Guys. Hello to Abu D Plays watching on YouTube, on Facebook. All right. We have a lot of chart requests today, so let's move on. No, let's proceed with the charts, guys. So AVAX hit the final target, 35% from the initial entry point here. Bull flag target already hit, guys. And another one here is Ocean. What is happening with Ocean? Ocean, previous short entry point here. So Ocean is forming a rising parallel channel, ascending parallel channel, and we have shorted it near the resistance trend line. Beautiful, beautiful short entry, guys, in confluence with the order block level here. So that was a 9% trade. Perfect entry exactly on that candle wick right there. Beautiful entry. This is one of the trade that was shared in our VIP Discord, guys. So here's the chart, and also I'm gonna share with you long-term bags, guys. So here, this was shared previously in our VIP Discord. So with the exact entry point, stop loss, and TPs. TPs only three take profit zones here, and we have hit all these targets. Congratulations to all, to those who were able to get into the trade, of course. All right, so let's proceed with another chart. ETC, I think, have hit also the ideal breakout. Oh, going crazy. I told you guys several times about ETC. ETC is going to move faster than Ethereum. And right now we are seeing this crazy move, guys, hitting the ideal breakout target. This was shared all over my social media accounts. So on our free public Telegram group, initial charts was shared on my Twitter account. This was discussed on our live stream. So if you are watching our previous streams, you can check all these charts on my previous videos last week, guys. Last week I have made all this analysis for Ocean, AVAX, Ethereum, ETC, Bitcoin, and High Street was one of the bonus chart. Ethereum right now going crazy, guys. So this is approaching our next resistance point. So if you are in our Discord community, or if you are following me on Twitter, we have been longing Ethereum from $1,500, guys. $1,500, the initial bull flag here, another bull flag, until we have reached the 2,300 level. Now we got a few traffic at around this zone, but I have continuously discussed and informed you guys that we are still forming higher lows, and we are still moving up. The trend is your friend until it ends. So right now we are still in an overall uptrend. Possible retested support at around 2,300 area, which was the previous target for Ethereum, but overall this is still in an overall crazy uptrend, and we are approaching right now this red zone, which means resistance level for Ethereum. Keep an eye on that level. And let me share with you guys the long-term bags, because right now the most of these cryptos have already fly away. So long-term bags. Review Bitcoin average price. My average price for Bitcoin is 17.5, Ethereum 1,250, Polkadot 3.7, XRP 0.38, Litecoin 52. This was the previous chart for ADA, and this was shared ahead of time when ADA was trading at around 0.4, 0.35. I have already shared this chart, guys. So bullish order block start to DCA at 0.24, and right now we are at 0.5 for ADA. Crazy, guys. This was the previous chart. The price was approaching the bullish order block and DCA, spot DCA zone, guys. Another one here is Polkadot, perfect spot accumulation for long term. 3.8 up to 3.44 level, multiple bullish divergence on the oscillator. So this is the first time that I'm sharing this long-term bags in public, guys, because this was shared in our Discord community last 2022 when Bitcoin was approaching the lower levels, or the 16,000 level. So this is for Litecoin. Long-term huddle remains the same, guys. But our buy zone and start to DCA was around $46 to $56. And here are the list, shopping list, guys. My crypto shopping list 2022, target 2025. Right now we are approaching 2024. Bitcoin below $16,000 was a beautiful, beautiful, perfect buy zone for long-term. Ethereum $1,000 below $1,000 was also a perfect buy zone. I think Ethereum have hit $1,000 2022 around November. BNB, but right now this is we're slowly having some doubts about BNB because all of this issues that is happening with Binance. But overall, if they will survive, BNB will skyrocket, guys. Polkadot is at 4.5 average price. Buy zone below 4.5. AVAX below 8. Solana below 11. And right now, Solana is going crazy at 75. ADA below 0.35, and right now ADA is at $0.5. So congratulations to your long-term bags. We have already made for Solana, that was already 7x. For Bitcoin, that's more than 2x. For Ethereum, that's around 2x already. So we have already made our, we have doubled or tripled or 7 or even 5x our initial investment for 2022. Congratulations, everyone. All right, so let's move on, or let's go back to the chart request before we end this video. Let's check high. High is still consolidating here. All right. So let's proceed, guys, with the chart request before I end this video. Join me. Let me just send a message here. Join me live if you have any questions or clarifications. Live. All right. Render. Lovely to see you back in live. Request from Peter. Render. We have also request from, let me see some of our viewers here. Emmanuel, first man. Congratulations. Let's go. We have also Andres Jaworski, Emmanuel requesting for GTO. So we have GTO and Render, guys. Let's check this out before we end our live stream for today. AVAX is still going crazy. XRP is also up. This week killed our long position. I think this is one of the previous chart analysis, guys. So this crazy wick here have hit our stop loss for XRP. Let's check GTO. Not familiar with it. Or JTO rather. JTO. All right, so there's a perpetual chart for this. DYDX from Manprit. All right, let's check this out. We don't have much data for JTO, so I'll not be able to do a TA for this one. This is a pretty new ticker here. So GTO, it's pretty new, guys. Pretty new. Not much data. What we can check is only the Fibonacci retracement level, which is these levels here. So this is still in an uptrend. We have a consolidation zone here in the 15 minutes time frame. This will be the retest area here, up to 61.8 to maintain its overall uptrend, guys. So not much data for JTO. I'll not be able to give my technical analysis on this one. Let's proceed with render.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, so for render, we have a double bullish divergence that is forming on the 15 minutes time frame, but let's check the higher time frame here, like the daily time frame. So render is approaching this resistance levels, guys, previous pivot points for render. We have small resistance here. Next one will be at this point. So this is around 3.8 up to 4.19 level. I think we have a support trend line here. Support trend line. And we have this level here. I think I have shared one chart for render today in the VIP Discord, guys. I have shared one chart here, there, a possible short entry for render. So here we have a possible rising wedge pattern, and we have a bearish divergence that is forming on the oscillator on the daily time frame. So price is forming higher high while the oscillator fails to make new high. That's what you can see here. The price is still forming higher highs, but the oscillator fails to make new high. We have a bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Render token to participate in DAT Miami in Miami on December 6th. So there was an event. Render token to participate in art. All right, so several events going on. December 6th reaches high above 3. First time in 600 days. All right, so next possible resistance for this one will be the resistance trend line, guys. For rising wedge pattern, this is a bearish pattern, guys, with a possible breakout to the downside. But right now, we are seeing alt season, and most of the altcoins are just keeps on going up. So short term, we have this support here, guys. If you're trading this short term, we have this support trend line. Another rising wedge pattern in the lower time frame. So possible price action here, we have a smaller rising wedge pattern here. And this resistance at around 4.24 is in confluence with the resistance level and the resistance trend line. Possible rising wedge pattern with a breakout target, ideal breakout target, which will give us the bottom of the wedge, which is around 2.7. So this is for short term, guys. This is for short term. We have this resistance here, possible short entry at around this level, and support, likely target for this. We have this order blocks, which will act as a support for render, guys. Short term, this will be the price action. That will give you 22%. But for now, this is still in an overall uptrend, guys. So if you're going to zoom out on the daily time frame, we have this bigger wedge and we have this smaller wedge inside the bigger wedge. So for short term, we might see the price move up here up to 4.23 and a possible retest of this area up to this level here. Possible break of support and 10.54 million order block level waiting at around 3.2 up to 3.34 level. So possible long entry here. Short term, overall, we might see the price continue to move up to 5.1 level and eventually revisit this support trend line at 2.5, which we have several confluence, guys. We have this breaker blocks acting as a support. This is in confluence with the bigger support trend line, which will give us $2.52 for render. So that will be my short-term to medium-term analysis for render. Keep an eye on this very important level here, 5.1. All right, so I'm gonna share this chart in our free public Telegram group, and of course, in our Discord watch list channel. All right, next one is DYDX. Your upcoming trades, please. Thank you from Peter. You're welcome. Your upcoming trades. I'm currently holding high. So my target remains at 2.64 level. Again, not a financial advice. This was the previous bonus chart. Bonus chart, guys. If you have watched my previous streams, we have been waiting for this big move from High Street, and right now we are seeing we are taking profits along the way. Thank you for the updates. So let's move on to DYDX. Chart request from Manpreet. Let's check the time. Time check. Oh, we are 40 minutes. So just exactly. Just we're still on time. Last chart for today is DYDX. And again, if you're new to the channel, this is only for today, guys. If you register and create an account in BingX or FairDesk, use my referral link in the description down below. Deposit $100, and you can, if you're going to use BingX or FairDesk as your trading platform, you can gain access to our Discord community, guys. So let me know. Send me a message in or tag me on Twitter, or you can message me in Telegram. All right, so for high street, my conservative target remains at 2.66. I'm still holding my trade, spot trade from 1.32. I'm holding my leverage trade from 1.8, and we are up by 200% today. This is one of the trades that I've shared in our Discord today, guys. So here for high. So to those who have missed the previous entry, I've shared another long entry today in our Discord community. So last chart request from Manpreet, DYDX.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
Our previous short was actually in profit. It was in profit by 10% today. So for DYDX, I think I have another chart here. Let's see. Let's just use this one. So this was the previous chart, guys, that I've shared for DYDX. And this was the previous short entry point here. So let's reanalyze the chart. So on the daily time frame, let's try to zoom out first. Let's check the weekly time frame. This is in the overbought area. DYDX to unlock 7 days ago. All right, so this was the token unlocks that we have discussed previously, guys. And I think it was not affected the chart that much. This was the effect of the unlock here, small percentage. But overall, we are still in an overall uptrend, and looks like on the weekly time frame we have a breakout here. This was the previous zone resistance, guys, for DYDX, and on the weekly time frame this will serve as a support. We have a huge zone here for a support, guys. So from this level here, 2.5 up to 2.9, this is around how many percent? 17%. So possible spot trade for DYDX. So we have seen this looks like a breakout here on the weekly time frame. This was a solid resistance for DYDX. Also this one here. So we have a huge weekly candle breaking all these resistances, and right now looks like the price is on the process of retesting this zone right here as a support. So possible retest up to this area right here, up to this previous resistance point. But right now we are seeing a buying pressure on this zone, guys. So it is looking like a breakout and a retest of support. So it's on the process of retesting this previous resistance as a support. If this will hold, then this will be our new starting point for a further move to the upside. Major resistances on the weekly time frame for DYDX, that will give us these levels here. So this will be our resistance 1 and resistance 2 for DYDX, and this will be also our targets. All right, so these are huge levels, guys. looking at the weekly time frame. So we might see a retest and a consolidation at around this area here. But if this will hold, then we might see DYDX revisit the $4 area in the coming weeks. So let's go back to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have this. Actually, this is much more clearer. The chart is much more clearer on the daily time frame because we have several Jamie Robertson theta forming rising wedge on the 4-hour, short at the top. Let's try to check if we can get an opportunity for theta, but we're over time today, guys. This will be our last chart, so I'll try to answer the remaining charts on my Twitter account. So just drop them in the comment section down below. So again, we have a clearer picture in the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the oscillator is approaching the oversold area, and we have actually a very high order block that will act as a support at around $2.48 up to $2.63. This was the previous resistance zone, guys, and this will now act as a support for DYDX. And also we have a huge order block here that is acting as a resistance. This is again in confluence with the weekly time frame resistance levels. So we have here 3.9 up to 4.4, 248 million. Very high order block at around this level here. So I'm expecting DYDX to consolidate here in the coming days before breaking out this level and possibly going up to the $7 area. For now, this will be our trading range for DYDX. So buy zone, this is a huge area, guys. 70%. 70% trading range for DYDX. So possible buy zone here from 2.5 to 2.9 and possible sell or short at around 3.8. But again, you need to bear in mind that we are still in an overall uptrend. So eventually we're going to see a breakout or a break of support or resistance in the coming days. For now, I'm expecting the price to consolidate in between this support and resistance. Again, buy zone or support from this zone and resistance on this level. Possible short squeeze as well on this area right here. Weekly target remains at $7. Short-term target remains at 3.9 to $4 area. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Again, don't forget to smash that like and support the channel. Share it to everyone you know. And if you are new to the channel and if you like contents like this, don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.